Hi, today on Keep It Simple with Grandma, we're going to make black pepper chicken. It's one of our favorite Asian dishes, and I've never made it before, but I found a recipe that I think is very similar to what we get in the restaurant. So I hope that you'll follow along and join me as we take on this new challenge. Okay, for the black pepper chicken, these are all the ingredients that you'll need. Seems like a lot, but it's actually very simple. First of all, we're going to need about a pound and a half of chicken breast or thighs, and I cut them into chunks, bite-sized pieces. You'll need black pepper, of course, the star, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, or white wine vinegar, whichever, cornstarch, hoisin sauce. Actually, you could also use oyster sauce. I just chose hoisin. It has a little bit of a sweeter flavor, but and not quite as salty. And ginger, I have minced ginger, oil, chicken stock, sesame seed oil, minced garlic, and I've already ground quite a bit of black pepper, and a little bit of sugar, some peppers, onion, and celery. We'll go ahead and get started here with the marinade. I'm going to use a Ziploc bag so that I don't have to handle the chicken. So in the Ziploc bag, I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm just going to guess here. And 1 tablespoon of the rice wine vinegar. Black pepper. You know what? I'm just going to sprinkle it on the chicken here. My husband loves pepper, so this is one of his favorites. Hopefully we can get enough pepper on to suit him. And then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And the cornstarch will be a thickener. It also helps to brown the chicken. That'll do. I'll set that aside. It will marinate while we get everything else ready. Okay, for this sauce we'll need 1 cup of chicken stock or chicken broth. The difference between stock and broth is that a chicken stock is usually made from the bone and it doesn't usually have much seasoning in it, and chicken broth usually has some sort of seasoning. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will be our slurry that will thicken the sauce. And then we'll need 1 tablespoon of hoisin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm just gonna put it in there. And we need the sugar. And 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and sear our chicken and finish the rest. Okay, we have our pan getting hot, and we'll add our oil, enough to coat the bottom nicely. And then when it gets hot enough, when we hear it start to sizzle, yeah, it's starting to sizzle a little bit, then we'll add our chicken. All right, perfect. A little over 165. They're nearly softened, so I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic, minced garlic, 1½ teaspoon. Or so. And 1 teaspoon of ginger. Now I'm going to turn it down to a simmer. And we just want it to thicken up a little bit. We're going to add a little more black pepper. We are done. We'll go ahead and put it over rice. Delicious.
Okay, black pepper chicken is one of my favorites. And my lovely wife made it for supper today. We'll see how she did. That is really good, but I am going to need more pepper.
Thanks for stopping by and joining me as we made our black pepper chicken for the first time today. I hope that you'll try it, and if so, please comment and let me know what you thought. By the way, if you go down to the bottom of the page to where it says about this video, in there you'll find a description box, and that will be the recipe and information on instructions how to put this together. And that will be true with all the recipes that I put up. There will be a description box and a place to comment. So look forward to hearing from you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a recipe or something that you would like to see me make, go ahead and put that in the comments and I'll see if I can do it. So come back again. See you soon.